Welcome to my channel. And the topic of my video, how to backup and wipe your Windows PC. I defined it: clean your computers of all your data. I read it. Check this one to clean your data. I read it. If you are selling your Windows computer or passing it on to someone else, you are going to want to first wipe everything, or you may want to write yourself off several years of data blot and and start again with a clean with a clean slate. The good news is that wiping and reinstalling Windows is a lot easier than it used to be. I am old enough to remember when it involved hours of file swapping, installation disks, and hours spent putting programs, emails, and files backup in place. Thanks to the cloud and online apps, it can now be done in less than an hour. Backing everything up beforehand Backing everything up beforehand is vital tough, even if you are planning to leave your personal files in place, which Windows lets you do when you are planning a backup. Beside your personal files, think about other data such as your local social media libraries and saved games. If you are a gamer, and while most applications can be simply downloaded again from the web, it's worth double checking what you have got installed to make sure they were still available. How to backup Windows? Uh, you have got a wealth of options for backing up data from Windows. In fact, the safest option is to have not one backup but two. Otherwise, as soon as something happens to the original data, you are then in the precarious position of only having one copy of your important files again. A combination of cloud storage and local storage is usually a good bet. Whether you want to use Microsoft's own OneDrive or third party options such as Google Drive or Dropbox, you can set up important folders to be constantly synced with the web. As soon you make as soon you make changes on your PC, the synced file are updated online. Syncing with one device. Backup folders on this PC files will be backed, protected, and available where in OneDrive personal. Even if you lose this, I send you link in my comment section, and click and go to the video. Watch video and learn it. You will be asked if you want to sync your profile with OneDrive when you first set the Windows operating system up. If you have opted to do that and want to make changes afterward, search for OneDrive from the start menu, then select the top OneDrive result to see your OneDrive folder in File Explorer. You can also click on the OneDrive icon on the right side of your taskbar and select one folder. Right click the OneDrive folder in the navigation pane on the left, then choose OneDrive setting. Under the third part is under science and backup. You can choose which parts of your system, such as the desktop folder and saved screenshots, are managed by OneDrive. And the today topic is and kindly subscribe my channel and watch my more videos and share with friends.